Hello guys, what's up? It's Devjyoti here and welcome back to Techie Ready. So guys, with Android 12, Google introduced a new user interface and a new user element known by the name as Material You. And while we are still waiting for all the OEMs to update their devices to Android 12, but somehow .os, that is Droid on Time, which is a popular custom ROM for Android, has recently updated the ROM to version 5.2. which includes all the Material Use design elements only with the help of a single customization software, but still keeping their Android version to 11. And currently not all the devices are officially supported by them, but gradually they are expanding their support devices list. And luckily Redmi Note 4 was officially supported by them, so I just went for it and installed it in my Redmi Note 4. So guys, this is .os. Now let me go to About Phone and show you the Android version. So as you can see, the device is running on Android 11 on top of .os version 5.2, and the Android security update is of 5th September 2021. Now here I have downloaded .os with GApps, and for this Google services are pre-installed with this ROM. But if you download the vanilla version, here Google services will not come with this ROM pre-installed. Now coming to the overall experience of this ROM. This ROM is pretty much similar to stock Android. You will not get any bloatware here, only few Google apps will be pre-installed. And here you will also not find any major lag in your day-to-day usage, although sometimes minor lags are there while opening or loading any app. And also I haven't noticed any bugs so far I have used this device. This ROM also has the capability to keep all your apps running in the background for a long time. Here you will also get a cool feature known as Gaming Dashboard, which is similar to gaming mode in other devices, through which you can block notifications and can change the ringer settings, and also there are some other settings as well. And you will also get quick control and in-game control, through which you can either take screenshot or can record your gameplay. This ROM also comes with dark theme pre-installed. Now coming to customization. Here you will get plenty of options to completely change the overall look and feel of your device, including the Material You design. First of all, if you change the wallpaper here, then the overall accent color of the system will automatically change as per the background. Now if you notice that the background of the settings page is kind of brownish, and also the accent color for the quick setting styles or the volume bar is also brownish, which is as per with my background. Now let me change the wallpaper to this one. Now if you notice, the accent color for the quick setting styles and the volume bar also has been changed to orange, and also the settings page now has kind of orange background color, which is pretty much similar to Material Use design language. Also this ROM has some pretty cool collection of wallpapers. These are the built-in wallpapers, and from here you will also get some cool online wallpapers for different ROMs also. Now coming to other customization options, you can change the clock face of the lock screen to some unique faces. You can change the grid size, system font, icon shapes, and also the icon pack. Now coming under more settings, under AOD and lock screen, you can enable or disable ambient display and edge lighting, and also you can change the screen of animation. Under status bar, you will get the option to change the battery style, clock customization, and you will also get the option to turn off or on the network speed in the status bar. And there are also plenty of options which I also haven't explored so far. Here you will also get the option to lock or unlock your apps. And under buttons and system, you will also get plenty of options to customize your device according to your taste. Under display settings, you will also get the option styles and wallpapers, which usually comes with every Pixel device to customize your phone. And you will also get the tap to wake feature. Here you will also get the new clock widgets that are coming with Android 12, and these clock widgets will also change the accent color depending on the wallpaper. And the calculator app in this ROM also changes the accent color as per your background. So guys, this is so far the most exciting ROM I have came across, and here you are getting all the new customization features that are coming with Android 12, and the overall performance of this ROM is also very good. There are no such major bugs as of now. So guys, that's all about .os. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you have enjoyed my video and share it with your friends. And I will again see you in my next video. Thank you guys.